Hello world, how you doing today? I hope so you're keeping well. I'm Damian from TheMonkeys, if you don't know me somehow. And today I'm in Nusa Dua. It's about 3:30 p.m. Beautiful afternoon, very hot, about 30 degrees of Celsius. And today I'm gonna make a video about the live reality. I'm gonna walk Aka live stream for a very long time, maybe 2 hours, maybe even 3 hours. So stay tuned, and this will be like first view person filming, first point of view. So we'll see everything today regarding the Nusa Dua BTDC. Beautiful place. If you're not familiar, this is Bali, Indonesia. If you somehow just click it randomly, sometimes this happens also. Beautiful beach, and well, I'm just gonna walk. This is not edited video, and the quality is a little bit lower than average vlog every single day what I'm making. So if you are watching for the first 2-3 hours when it's the premiere, it's like a live stream. I will be with you on the live chat. So wherever you comment, I will answer to you all the time in the live chat. Also the super stickers, super chats, welcome, not necessary, but always appreciated. And well, it's actually beautiful here. And also this video will be able to watch as the playback later on, let's say for most of our subscribers. If you found out this video later and it's not live anymore, you can watch it as the playback with the little bit lower resolution quality than usual, also not edited, so it's very raw material, and I hope so you will enjoy. I will start just from here, from the public beach in Nusa Dua. There's the parking area, there's the Melia Hotel, and I'm gonna hit into opposite direction just behind me. There are many hotels. If you are familiar with this area, this is good for you. If you're not, please enjoy. All right, let's start it from the place where I just make an intro. I wanna walk slowly, show you first of all the parking area. Quite many cars, as you can see. It's about 3:30 afternoon, which is really not so bad, but still very hot actually. This is the Melia Hotel. I'm gonna come back there at the end of the live stream, live video today, but we're gonna walk slowly into that direction. Also many surfers coming to Nusa Dua right now, local and foreigners. Also some people walking around, which is actually not as that quiet as some of you could potentially consider, but it's also very far to be any kind of busy. There are some workers here. Hello, ladies. I make a video, similar video about 2 months ago, maybe in end of October, November, something like that, in Sanur, similar work. Actually, it's got a lot of interest, so decide why not to show you one more time. But at that time, the video was without any commentary. I just walk, and that was the sound of the nature. A lot of people was laughing at sound of my footprints as I wear the sandal. Actually, I wear the shoe that time, and also that shoe right now is like so many kilometers to walk. It's at least 1 hour one way, so it must be shoe. Anyway, some local people actually. There are many workers here from the water sports, renting the beds, sunbeds, massage. However, there is no people in Nusa Dua actually. This is the Merusaka Hotel ex Inaya Putri. Also, a very interesting fact about these hotels is that they are now government owned. That's why the names are coming from Meru something. Like Merusaka here in Labuan Bajo is also the hotel like this, the same brand owned by the government, and it's called Meru something. I forgot the name, it's quite complicated. Anyway, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the hotel. How does it look like? Beautiful hotel, however empty. We were with Winnie deep inside 2 times, swimming in this pool over there. And over there also, if you are our regular watcher, you should remember this. But today seems like not much is happening. Check this out, this beach actually is really nice, really beautiful. Only 2 customers there, but not many people around. However, here is some lovely couple foreigners enjoying their time, not gonna disturb them. And this is just the beginning of the walk, just 3 minutes, so please relax, make a coffee, tea, beer or drink or cocktail, whatever you drink. Take some snack, maybe some I don't know, chips, peanuts, or maybe you eat breakfast, or maybe you eat lunch or dinner at that time. You can comment below. Anyway, please enjoy. That's gonna be very long video. If for some reason you feel that this video is boring and you are just thinking to switch it off, I also truly understand. No needs to apologize. However, it would be nice if you stay with me, especially if you're interested about the Nusa Dua BTDC. This is the end of the hotel number 1, hotel number 2 with these gates with the Hindu gods, Bali gods, and this is the Grand Hyatt Bali. Of course, this is not any endorsement for any hotels in this area, but well, obviously wanna trying to show you around. This is probably one of the biggest hotel in this complex. So many rooms everywhere. This is, you can walk and walk and walk. It's actually pretty nice to walk. But it's so quiet. It's not so many people. You can feel very peaceful. And well, path is really nice. About the hotel Grand Hyatt, they're really taking care of the gardens and maintenance. You can see as they are just trim the grass here. Also somebody running around. That's pretty actually nice jogging track right in here in Bali, especially right now. Very quiet. Also the beach, it's pretty nice. Check this out. This is the map of the hotel. How big is it? I don't know. I think I'm here. Where is this red dot? So this way, and so many. It's just huge. I don't even know how many rooms is it, but this is some sort of 500 rooms, or even maybe more. And all of them, they are empty actually, mostly empty. So it's actually pretty sad at the same time. But yeah, that's how it is. Reality of hotels in Nusa Dua. Right now, either we like it or not. Big gardens, and that's how it is. I hope so. It's not gonna be rainy. I hope so. Just change the position, show my face a little bit. So if you are just joined and you are new on my channel, you know with who you're dealing, with who you're talking about. And well, I make the similar video in Sanur, but without commentatory. And many people said that actually you enjoyed just the sound of nature. However, more people was interested about the commentatory. Either some people like it or some people don't like it. This is my face and my voice. And I just want to say, as this is also this video, if this video gonna get enough likes, enough views, enough comments, just enough interest, I'm gonna invest myself into gimbal, because to doing the live stream, proper live stream, you need to have a gimbal, because well, my camera is actually pretty good right now, and as you see, it's totally not shaky or anything, or maybe just slightly shaky when it's bad light, but it's pretty alright. Also I have a stable hand, but that's not good for the 2 hours walks. And I'm gonna start daily vlogs every single Friday at 4 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8, or Western time +8, something like that. Anyway, 4 p.m. Bali time every single Friday. Starting at least in the places where is good internet connectivity, like in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Sanur Center, but Sanur beachside not possible. Sanur Center and maybe Ubud Center, and maybe who knows where, maybe some driving. And if we'll be on the areas where is problems with the so for some reason problems with the internet, more likely like in Nusa Dua here, I'm not sure about the connectivity. I will make a premiere how I do like now. But this is because these videos will be quite long, like 2 hours long, sometimes 3 hours, sometimes 1 hour, depends of the area. This is more likely for people who are familiar with Bali and missing Bali and enjoying watching the live streams. Also, there's so many live streams in different countries where people just walking on the streets without commentatory, or the live streams who are pre-recorded and they are over and over and over again, or the live cams, like you have a camera on your house, on your restaurant, or somewhere on the coconut tree on the beach, and you are doing the live stream. So my live stream is totally different. Anyway, this is already the area of Grand Hyatt Hotel in Nusa Dua. Very clean and very empty. Actually, nobody is on the beach side, so that's how it is. Hello. Lovely security in Nusa Dua, driving bicycles and controlling if everything is here right. Safety, well, there is no crime in Nusa Dua at all, for some reason, if you are not familiar. So anyway, let me know in the comment section if you're gonna be interested about the live streams every Friday. I hope so. I can make it. Well, probably I'm gonna make it at least 1 month for the trial, and if you will be a lot of people watching, a lot of you guys will be interested, I will probably keep pushing it every single Friday. At the beginning, I was created different channel for that, and there are some ladies over here. Hold on, I will change the position. It's quite hard to carry the camera in the same position for many minutes. And the massage ladies. And what I wanted to say, I will change the position of the camera maybe. So that's the continuation. By the way, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the beach. How does it look like next to Grand Hyatt Hotel? It's actually pretty beautiful, especially with the trees. And check this out, how clean is this? This is mostly because this is Nusa Dua. This is a special part of Bali, completely different. Some people could say as this is not real Bali. Well, I have to agree with that also, because this is completely closed complex of hotels. But for many people who are just considering Bali as holiday destination, this is actually real paradise. It's safe, totally safe. You don't need to worry about the crimes or any kind of stealings or cheatings even. It's clean and it's beautiful, it's peaceful. So yeah, back to the live streams. This is the continuation. If you just joined, this is the premiere Aka live stream. I'm in Nusa Dua right now, and it's actually pretty quiet. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put the camera here, and I need to have a drink. Hold on, guys. Oh, shaky. Oh, I'm not gonna cut this. I'm not gonna cut this off. Not gonna cut this off. This is the live stream. Actually, I could cut this off. I'm not gonna cut this off. I need to have a drink. It's so hot, actually. Oh, I have like 10 minutes walk, and I have a small bottle of water only, and it's like 2 hours of walking. Anyway, little exercises because my arms actually pain of holding the camera, and we're gonna go into that direction. Okay, let's go. Oh, little shake, and we go again. So as you see, Grand Hyatt Hotel is actually pretty big. As Winnie could say, massive. Okay, I don't know what's actually going here. Why is the tape? Is some sort of closed area here, maybe. Anyway, very quiet in Nusa Dua. Actually, it's even good as I'm doing there's some commentatory, otherwise will be like kind of boring, I could say. Well, anyway, let's see house will be this. Oh, some birdie. There's some villas here actually in Grand Hyatt, private villa in the resort. Also, it's possible like that in Bali. Many hotels have like that. And yeah, I hope so. It's not gonna be rainy. So we will see how's the live streams gonna go. Currently, I hope so. It's gonna be successful, because, well, actually, it's nice something to change a little bit to making the live stream time to time. It's like oh, some birdie. Can you hear that? Some birdie. Anyway, yeah, like I said, it's actually pretty nice to making a live stream, because I have a conversation with you in the live time, and also in the city where I'm gonna vlog, make a live stream in the future. There will be like a lot of action. I hope so. At Friday is supposed to be some live, at least little bit. Anyway, this is for goodbye the gate, and goodbye Grand Hyatt Hotel. This is little bit of public area here, public warungs. Oh, they have some sort of here new warung actually. That's pretty alright. Maybe I could have a drink later on if I'm out of the drinks. Anyway, the situation on the public area, some kids, you can rent so many surfboards if you're interested. Some tourists also walking around, but not that many. This is the bus from the Courtyard Marriott. We stayed in the Courtyard by Marriott in the Christmas 2 years ago. Not this Christmas, but a year ago actually. Yeah, two Christmas ago. And we drive this bus. We also make a funny vlog here. I used to drive the skateboard at that time. Anyway, there is the little bit of the area working. I really wanted to go there actually, where is the Melia Hotel, because there is the very bad situation on the path over there, but it's closed, so we will see if I can pass it maybe by beach. Anyway, but at the moment let's go a little bit to this area. There is the park. I don't know actually, forgot the name of the park. You see, normally if I'm not doing the live stream, I could make check on the Google Map, stuff like this, and check what's the name. However, here's supposed to be some sort of warung, but it's deserted, abandoned, nothing is here, but very tropical vibe here. Actually used to be nice, hot, nice vibe used to be here, that's for sure. Definitely very tropical used to be. Let's see if I can have a walk there to Melia Hotel. This is the, again I forgot what's the name of this area. I need to check on the Google map. But this is like a island, and the Taman, the park in Nusa Dua. It's called Waterblow, I think. I hope so, it's called Waterblow and I'm not mistaken. Anyway, it's good to having a look in case if you stay before in Nusa Dua and for some reason you never come here. That's also happened sometimes to some people. Well, Peninsula Island, Nusa Gada Island, Nusa Dua Resort, Bali. Nice park, nice beach. There's this water on the one side, there's like a little park, water on the other side, and there is the access to the Melia. I think I can walk there by the beach. I think should be fine because the beach is public, so there's actually no problem. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. Little park. Let's see. So hot actually, guys. So there is like a statues of the Balinese gods, Hindu gods, and little bit of the works here. They're really taking care of the gardens. I don't know if you realize there is no people around. Actually, literally nobody is around, but the gardens are really taking care of it. This is something very unique in Bali, only in Nusa Dua. Either we like it or not, that's how it is. It's actually pretty beautiful, I could say. There is like a helipad or something maybe. Oh, they even have a vending machine with the drinks. Let's have a look if it's working. I mean, I still have my water, but let's say if I'm gonna come back, it's good to know if it's working or not. I think I was too optimistic with that. It doesn't work anymore. And toilet over there. So, okay, if we are already here, let's have a look what is over there. Actually, to be honest, personally, I've never been so far in this park. So I will change the position of the camera. Oops. Okay, maybe I will cut this part off. Let's see, maybe not. So there is like a huge park, and there is like a little tree, and there is actually water blow over there. Maybe there is two islands actually. Like, anyway, this is the huge helipad. So if, let's say, Mr. President coming or somebody coming, they can land here. And this actually helipad is huge. Anyway, that's how it looks, the peninsula of Nusa Dua. I need to get there. And where is facing my hand right now there is erosion about the beach, so it's very hard to walk there. And there is the another island, and I need to pass to this island and go there and there again. So let's see what I can make today. Anyway, that's how it looks. Yeah, I think it's called water blow here. I have problems with memories a little bit. Very quiet, guys. What I can say. Okay, I will stop here maybe, and I actually gonna edit a little bit because there's not much is happening here. All right, so I come back to the stone roundabout. I really wanna walk a little bit between the trees. Let's see how does it look like. And then I was just thinking, as actually there is not much happening in Bali nowadays, no matter where you are, even if you are on the beach side, there is not many people, not much action in general is happening. However, I can show you the waves and the beach at the same time. I wouldn't be totally surprised if I'm not gonna get much views on today's premiere live stream. Well, I hope so. I'm gonna get quite a lot of views actually, but well, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if for some reason I'm not gonna get that much, because well, not much is happening. This one is actually pretty nice to walk next to the waves. There was the surfer guy over there, I think. They are surfers here sometimes, time to time, so at least it's like that. And let's see what's going on here, how I can pass. Whew. This is actually quite big erosion here. I can walk using this one. It's actually pretty alright. Hlapo, little bit water is actually big waves, have to be careful, but actually nice for the video purposes, I could say. Really not so bad. Can you hear the sound of the ocean a little bit? It's actually pretty nice. I can show you a little bit of the vibes, but at the same time the conditions of this part of the beach in Nusa Dua is not in the best, but yeah, what I can say, that's how it is, right? Okay, I'll cut off the video here, I think, because it's really not much to show, and in general the conditions are really not so bad here. It's really destroyed and abandoned part of Nusa Dua. I'm not sure if you will be really interested to watch this. That's how it is. The road here is totally destroyed. They're gonna fix it for sure one day, but currently doesn't look that optimistic. And there is the Pirates Bay at the front, where I'm trying to show you. There is abundant restaurants or abundant buildings. So there is the surfers over there and another rock island I'm trying to show you. It's actually pretty really destroyed here. That's not really good. Next to the Pirates Bay, the situation looks how it is. Really destroyed actually here. And this is the Pirates Bay for everyone who are interested. Actually, this is what left from the Pirates Bay, and the promenade here. It's actually really speechless. Check this out. Pirates Bay, the area and the promenade totally destroyed after the big waves, like in Kuta. But this is in Nusa Dua. Really not that good, I could say. What I can say, there is some surfer here in the water, and there is the another island connected with the little path walk here. Long time ago was just the sand, and that's how it looks in Nusa Dua. There is Melia Hotels and another hotels everywhere around. Sorry, pardon me. And this little bit destruction part is just here, where is the where it was actually the Pirates Bay. Beautiful sand. I just skipped a little bit of the part there because it was really actually not that much to film around. I'm gonna show you another island and what is inside. Very hot, guys. Okay, it's just 4 o'clock right now. I'm working for half hour and I can honestly tell you it's super hot and I'm so wet. This is another park. Hello. There's just another park here, a little bit less maintained like a previous one. I think this park is actually even at the same time older, and well, actually not much is here, so I'm gonna come back to the hotels area. Maybe the hotels area will be a little bit more interested to watch than just simply this one, right? Let's see. As you saw, there were some tourists, even international, walking around, which is pretty good, pretty alright. Not sure where they're coming from, but they were. Anyway, surfers, if you're interested in surfing with the small waves, they are pretty alright here. And that's my afternoon walk in Nusa Dua. I could say my hands are a little bit tired, so a little bit shaky. That's why I will need to get for the live streams the gimbal, I think. Anyway, that's how it looks like. There was the Pirates Bay one more time for everyone missing the area, familiar. And well, I get distracted a little bit. This is the Melia Hotel, but still public area. They are between hotels. They are sometimes little bit of the public area where you can rent the surfboard or having a drink from the local warung. However, the prices and the local vibes, they are very far. Then you will go outside Nusa Dua, obviously. But yeah, still better than nothing. This is the closed complex. And cool surprise, it's actually quite many tourists. Yo, welcome. How are you? Good. Good. That's good. And yeah, that was the public area, and we are entering now into Melia Hotel area. We'll see how's the life in Melia today. Hello. And yeah, Melia Hotel, Melia Gardens, Melia Villas. Also some reconstruction here, I could say. It's been a while when I was working in Nusa Dua, like a long time, like a full-time working, and I have to say, okay, I'm tired and I feel hot, but at the same time I can feel a little bit strange feeling, like is everything quiet, deserted, empty. I don't know what words are the most accurate. Probably all of them, actually. This hotel was one of the most popular hotels in Nusa Dua complex. One of the most popular, one of the most favorite hotels in Nusa Dua in BTDC closed complex. However, seems like it's not that anymore. So I don't know. Hello. Some ladies here. I think this is the only one restaurant, main restaurant. There are some people around. Anyway, we were in this hotel for one night at the beginning of the current situation. Maybe in March, maybe in June, July, maybe in June. When at the beginning of the current situation, this is the restaurant, and it was definitely much busier than it is now. We are having a breakfast somewhere here in this patio, and yeah, definitely was busier. I'm not gonna say it's empty right now. I mean, the hotel is open. Hotel is not closed. However, how many people you can count here right now? Maybe 20 maximum. maybe 15 on the beach, and let's say double, and that they go somewhere, or they are on the I don't know where, chilling in the pool area, whether it's home. Anyway, that's how it looks like. The weather is really not that the best, but trying to show you a little bit how does it look like in Melia, Nusa Dua. Thank you for visiting us, Melia, Bali, Indonesia. And yeah, another hotel, the Laguna Resort and Spa, the Luxury Collection. This hotel belongs to the Marriott Group, so I don't know if it's better or not, busier or not. I'm just gonna change the camera position. I'm just gonna show you how my face look like, how I feel hot and I'm sweaty. This is like a halfway of first way to show you that I have to return later on, walking at the same time. So I'm gonna film all of it. So I hope so you will stay with me, even if it's not interesting for you, but just to listen to me what I have to say, my personal expression. And it's hot, actually. So if you have time, it will be really appreciated if you can keep watching me till the end, just to appreciate my effort. Actually, if you don't want to watch, it's okay, I really understand. Anyway, this is the Bali Luxury Collection Hotel, and the situation is like it is. There's actually not much is happening. I will change the position of the camera one more time. Here we go, the Laguna Luxury Collection, also one of the favorites hotel, actually. Melia and Laguna Collection, they are two hotels of two very good brands of the hotel. Melia Group and Marriott Group, they are really two great groups of the hotels, not paid endorsement or not any kind of advertising for them. However, from my personal experience, I can say like that. But here actually nothing is happening. Here there's no customers, I cannot see any customers. Oh, there is security actually driving. Hello. In the buggy, like I said, many security, pretty alright area for having a brunch or some sort of thing like that. One bar here, actually quite many people, some people cycling, but after that not much is happening. If you want to see on the other perspective, because while I'm trying to show you on the left more than on the right, I will going back again in about half hour from now. Anyway, I don't know what's the hotel name here. I think we already left the area of the Laguna, right? This is Heavenly by Westin. So this is the Westin Hotel. Actually here, they bordering very close to each other without space for the public. So you're actually passing one hotel by one, and you don't even maybe realize that this is already different hotel, but actually it is. And how is it? There are probably a little bit more people in this hotel to compare to the Laguna, but also Laguna and Melia, they are two the most expensive hotels in this Nusa Dua complex also, so that's the difference. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Hello. The staff is always friendly. Here is some renovation. There will be some new restaurant, I bet. I hope so I'm not gonna get a copyright because of this music coming from the speakers, and the speakers are actually everywhere on the trees, attached somewhere or in the ground, and that's very problematic for my live streams. That's why I start talking louder and quicker, so maybe the algorithm of YouTube not gonna catch the music. My moderator Mick must laugh now from me, but that's true. And if you are in the YouTube industry, you know what I mean. Music is really problematic. I know it's not music what I use, but this is actually problematic. I hope so I'm not gonna catch this one, because this is actually very, very bad music for YouTube. Okay, I speed up a little bit, start talking faster, and should be fun. Okay, I ran away from the music. the massage ladies. The massage ladies here. What they are doing actually? The massage or cleaning ladies? That's not sure. Nusa Dua Beach Hotel and Spa. Right here, right now. See how many chairs and the sunbeds are stored under the bamboo construction. That's really not a good sign of anything. Yeah, what to say? That's how it is. Life in Nusa Dua. This area for sure will be busy at the end of the year when the G20 summit gonna come, but that's gonna be actually the hello, thank you, and the guy is trying to offer me jet ski or something. This is the nice bamboo construction. I don't know even if the water in the pool is there, and the bar is actually closed. Here there is the chef looking at me, but the full actually restaurant here is closed. Check this out. What hotel is this? I forgot. Nusa Dua? Something. That actually doesn't look that much optimistic here, but yeah, that's how it is. Can you hear the sound of the birds at least? Well, definitely all the hotels here are open to compare to Benoa, Nusa Dua. Closed complex of BTDC Nusa Dua, all the hotels are open, but more deep I'm walking. Seems like each hotel have more problems with the customers. I mean, there is no people, there is no customers, there is no tourists around, so that's really not that good. Yeah, but maintenance, always maintenance. They're making some new signs, the people, and there is a little bit like in Sanur actually, the thingy over there. So yeah, what I was wanted to tell you about during the G20 summit there will be a lot of people from all around the world here, but that's different little bit story. I think I don't need to talk about that today, about this topic. Meanwhile, the beach, the weather, not so best, little bit cloudy, Sofitel. Here we go. Oh, here we go. There is actually many cars from the government, I think, or any other officials. Little forest here. Let's see how's the life in Sofitel. That's actually quite a long walk already for me. Tsunami Evacuation Road. Just interesting fact. Never was tsunami in Bali. Never in the past or in the history. However, the signs must be. You never know actually what may happen. As never something happened doesn't mean it's never ever gonna happen, right? Something like that. I'm already tired and it's actually not much to talk about, but I really want to show you how does it look in Nusa Dua today and make this video. This is the wedding chapel and gazebos for chilling. There's actually more people like this one wearing the blue shirts. Either they are workers or either they are cleaners or either they are all-in-one sellers of massage and merchandises. There is definitely more people like this than the real customers in Nusa Dua. In Nusa Dua. Okay, Sofitel Hotel main restaurant, Toya. There is only one family sitting in the restaurant. I'm not gonna facing too much into them. Maybe they will be not that happy. However, yeah, nice hotels around. Really nice walk. Will be better if it will be more cooler. If you just join me, it's 30 degrees. Don't forget about that. Okay, another restaurant. This is beach club. Little bit with the music. That's not good. This is, maybe I'm not gonna get a copyright on this one today, at least. Hello, how are you? And very lovely lady, bar. Okay, I hope so I'm not gonna get a copyright. I was too tired to talk fast. Okay, anyway, Sofitel. This is like a, I don't know, there are so many gardeners. Anyway, this area, this beach looks a little bit like in Sanur with this jetty. I hope so it's called jetty, otherwise somebody will laugh at me if I say it wrong. Anyway, this is the Sofitel Hotel all the time. And I'm not sure if it's there any other hotel or this is already finished. But that's good, this is live stream. So if I don't know something, you don't know with me either. And if I make a mistake, you are with me with that. I think this is the one left hotel what is abandoned here. And over there is already Benoa Nusa Dua, which is completely different area. But let's see. Some people walking here. This is the some station. Never been here actually, so local warung just after Sofitel if you are interested. I think this is the one of the hotel what is actually abandoned already for many years. Not because of the current situation, but for many years there is not even Google name on the Google Maps anymore, but there was another resort here. And I was always too lazy to come here to check this out. And this is, looks like this. Definitely this hotel is closed, and this is already connection to Benoa Nusa Dua, which is over there. There is like finishing of the closed complex of BTTC and starting Benoa, but this hotel still belongs to the BTDC, to Nusa Dua. And I don't know, this hotel looks like this. Either it's open or either it's closed. Have no idea. I mean, closed is for sure, but it's operating. I mean, the gardens looks like they are taking care of the green of the gardens, right? Because you can see it's the clean. But what's the name of the hotel? They building actually this one, the thingy, like a big restaurant with the circle shape. Looks pretty alright. I love Bali. Totally have no idea what's the name of this hotel with the big Buddha. Gonna looks like this. And well, I don't know if it's any point if I'm gonna go more straight, because there will be like Benoa already. We are focusing today on Nusa Dua. I hope so you can hear me properly and you cannot hear too much how I breathe, because that must be very disaster sound. Alright, so that was the Club Med Hotel. Long time ago, belongs to BTDC still, but it's totally under the construction, reconstruction, renovation. It's closed. I don't know, maybe it will be different name of the hotel in the future, but now I just realized that actually some of you asked me to show you this hotel. As last time when I vlog, I make a video, similar video, but like a proper video, like 10 minutes or 12 minutes long, with professionally edited and cut it and touched up to looks beautiful. And that was like a few months ago, and I forgot to show you the Med Club. And many of you actually asked me to show you that. So I'm so sorry at that time, but I'm showing you now. And the situation here is actually, that's how it is. I just realized for the next time, if I want to do like that, I need to get myself bicycle or get electric bicycle or electric skateboard or something electric, because whew, I just walk one way and I feel already very tired. Actually, guys, I will quickly make a move of ninja and show you my face without showing anything. Yeah, that's my face, so hot. Whew, I need to stop drinking. Anyway, at the front there is some religious ceremony, and even the cameraman is like a big, so check this out. I don't know what's going on over here. There was some praying This is like a local temple. This is like a TV station or somebody. See this guy, he's filming over there. Little bit of the local music. I have no idea what's going on, but if I'm already here, I will show you a little bit around. This is actually the most interesting fact what's going on today in Nusa Dua. I just found this accidentally, but I think it's a good idea to show you, especially as this is the live stream. So this is something religious one. Totally have no idea what the ceremony is, this one, but something is happening. They have a cameraman. But this is the beauty of making the live videos. You don't know what's gonna happen. You don't have a specific plan. You just do live randomly, filming everything what is going on, and you can catch something beautiful like this one, which is really not so bad. These two boats are coming, so they're gonna boarding. I think they're gonna go somewhere. Totally have no idea what they are doing, but looks pretty nice. So there are two boats and they're gonna go somewhere. They have offerings to carry. The lady is I don't know what they are actually doing, but I'm happy as I was actually here and I can show you a little bit with the live music. Hello. I think people don't mind as I'm filming them. Check this out. They have a nice offerings, and they are going to the boat. People pray. So seems like it's pretty nice. Actually, I like this style of this guy here. The camera and the mobile phone attached to the top. So 2-in-1, video and Instagram at the same time. Okay, they're gonna go to the boat and they're gonna go somewhere. So that's how it looks. Very interesting fact. For me it's time. Hello. For me it's time to come back. This is the Med Club. They had actually pretty nice beach here. I believe the hotel was also pretty big. Long time ago. Med Club. Well, this hotel must be actually closed already for a long time. You can comment below when you was in this hotel last time, because this hotel actually not exists on Google Map, I think, right now. Check this out one more time. I'm gonna show you. They're taking care of the gardens, but I think they have to take care of the gardens, otherwise there will be jungle here. Like little bit of this part of the grass. Right, I think they have to, or they are coming to be opening again very soon, because there is actually something reconstruction, so maybe that's why they're gonna open soon. Is something maybe what I don't know, maybe this is because of G20, but I believe not so long ago every gardens was looking like this part of here. There was the huge grass and almost like in the jungle. However, the wood and everything, the patio, definitely all of this needs to be reconstructed again, especially if they are 5-star hotel and they want to attract the new people, right? That's for sure. Anyway, the beach situation. Whew. Now I'm gonna focus. Oops, sorry for shake a little bit. Now I'm gonna focus on the beach side a little bit to show you. Pretty shame as there's no sun. It's so hard to get a good quality of light for your video. However, at least maybe I can still manage to walk, because otherwise I will get so sunburned and I will feel so hot. So yeah, one more time, the hotel Med Club. They're making definitely very good looking restaurant. That's definitely what I can say. I don't know how's the situation of the pools and everything, but this hotel was closed for long. And also beach, they had a nice huts, like a sunbeds huts, something like that, but that's everything. It's gone. Okay, totally, oops, somebody's driving behind. Totally no regrets as I come here having a look. because this is actually what I really didn't know. But yeah, I still have 1 hour to back, at least 1 hour walking. There are some local people driving bicycle. And yeah, guys, that's how it looks, the situation in Nusa Dua. I make a first one-way road stroll around the complex of BTDC, and what I can say, you can comment below. I'm with you on the live chat if you are watching on the live, or you can make a comments. I will answer you later if you are watching playback. It's pretty empty and pretty sad, but yeah, that's how it is. This is January 2022. I need to stop somewhere, have a little break, I think, having a drink. And suddenly the rain is starting to be rainy. That's actually pretty not so good, especially as I don't have an umbrella with me. And well, I'm already wet, to be honest, little bit because of the heat. It's vital. But my camera is waterproof actually itself, but the microphones are not waterproof. So that's not the best combo. So vital is open. Yeah. Last time actually people said as I focus too much of the street only, better is to focusing on the left and the right. So here we go. However, I'm just showing you where it's possible to show you. I hope so the rain not gonna catch me. Here's supposed to be something, I don't know, it was another wedding chapel or restaurant or something with the view, or maybe some events area, but currently there is nothing. And there is this bar again with the music. But I have to speed up, and I hope so I'm not gonna get caught by the music. Anyway, this is the area of the beach club, but by the beach. And this is the little swimming pool with this lovely lady who invited me to having a drink or something. Okay, the music, I have to speed up. This is the ladies. Like I said, quite many ladies selling something, right? But there's no people in general. This is the restaurant with the nice Balinese umbrellas. I think on the return I'm gonna talk a little bit less when I talk on the first way. Honestly, I feel already tired a little bit. I should stop somewhere, having a break. Maybe in this gazebo over there at the back, at the front, but somebody joined there. Anyway, the hotel situation of Sopitel and Nusa Dua. Wedding chapel, I think they have a shooting area also, like a crossbow, bow, something like that, and little walk. So very interesting fact, if you decide ever to come to Nusa Dua and having walk like I have, make sure, as this is the jog track walk, just for walking with the speed how I walk now, for at least 2 hours walk straight both ways. And there is like hotels only on the left and on the right, so it's no chance for any taxi or anything in Nusa Dua, so you have to walk. And if you are not strong enough, better don't do as long as I did. Honestly, I start little regretting this, especially as it's so hot. But yeah, I hope so many people watching me already at that time. There is little bar here. Actually, I could walk right now all the time passing the beach, but I think it's not that much. Hayumani's Beach Club. If I'm gonna walk just by the beach, there is actually not that interesting to show, not that interesting to record. So better I show you a little bit of the hotels. Whew. Alright guys, actually it was much easier when I was just walking without talking. especially maybe because this is like a premiere and you are maybe some of you watching playback right now, so I cannot read your comments and your thoughts. Normally it will be maybe easier when you will talk with me and I'm gonna answer to you. However, that's how it is. This looks pretty nice with these small coconut trees and these gardens here. Empty swimming pool areas. No problems if you're looking to have a swim. There's some guests, few of them. And yeah, oh, this is the restaurant of the bamboo construction, what is closed, empty. So yeah, that's how it is. Seems like only few people working here around and they are waiting for better times. Can you hear the sound of the silence? If not this guy at the front of me, I will say yes, I'm totally only one here. And this birdie somewhere. This is the hotel. So technically, basically, it's not easy to making a vlogs nowadays in Bali. Not even mention about the live stream. In Nusa Dua, maybe in Kuta will be alright. But well, wherever I gonna go, whether it's Nusa Dua, which was actually a long time ago, thousands of tourists was here, or if I gonna go to Kuta, everywhere will be quiet and deserted and empty streets. So I don't know when I gonna make a proper video where it's really so much people, action and stuff like this. One day for sure, but not today, not yet. Yeah, this is beach club. Okay, I will face the water. Oh my god, I need to really speed up. I don't wanna get the copyright because of this song, so I'm gonna talk whatever I just think as I can talk right now. Oh, I'm running. Rain. I just don't wanna get the copyright. Oh, okay, I can slow down a little bit right now. Hold on, change the position of the hand of the camera. Whew. Another music right now. Okay, this Westin hotel has so much music, that's not good for filming. Have to speed up, and I hope so. I'm not gonna get any kind of copyright strike right now. Anyway, so many ladies here waiting for you, sell you something potentially. Also, this video is recorded right now as the premiere live stream in full HD. Hello! In a full HD. All my vlogs, regular vlogs, are recorded in 4K resolution. But this video gonna have about 120 minutes long, 2 hours, or maybe even more. So if you are filming in 4K resolution, 1 minute of video taking you 1 gigabyte of the memory. So imagine I have 120 or 150 minutes of the video, and I'm trying to upload this is 120, 150 gigabytes of the memory. It's almost technically not possible in Bali because the internet quality is terrible slow. If the video, regular video would have 8-10 minutes, have approximately 8-10 gigabytes of memory for me, and it's taking me sometimes many hours in Bali to record. Now imagine how many days I will have to upload this stream, what I'm doing now. Anyway, if wherever I'm gonna start making the live stream using the proper live stream, not premiere like I'm doing right now, the maximum quality is 720p or full HD, which is 1080p. Meanwhile, bar in the Laguna Luxury Collection and the restaurant, so the quality will be a little bit worse. But anyway, this is like a premiere and live stream, not like a proper regular vlogs. Every regular vlog is recorded in full K, professionally edited. What is this Berdila? And stuff like this. Check this out, they have something really nice here, like some sort of tiger because of Chinese New Year, right? This tiger. They put the bean bag, but looks pretty nice. Looks pretty alright. I'm not gonna get inside. I'm not even guest of this hotel, but this is public actually access, so it's no problem. I wish I can walk deep inside the hotels actually. On each of this hotel I passed there. Anyway, Laguna Collection Hotel. So tiring. This is actually great exercise for me. Also great way to make myself sick tomorrow because of the heat and everything. I hope so. I'm not gonna get sick or anything like this. But definitely I need to have a gimbal for the filming in the live streams. And I think now after walking in the area like this, I think I will more likely vlog always in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, Ubud Center and Sanur Center. I will keep avoiding beach areas because they are just simply extremely empty. Okay, I need to stop somewhere having a drink. Oops, don't wanna drop the bottle, but it's also very hard for me to having a, what is it called, drink while making a live stream. There is also not that much spaces where you could have a coffee or drink in the local place, and it's a little bit pointless when I'm gonna go for drink or coffee in the 5-star resort in Nusa Dua. I mean, I don't mind, but little pointless. There are some tourists in the beach. Okay, I will drink. Drinks are very important, but live stream is live stream. No matter of what, we are not stopping. That's what I say. I don't want to edit this live stream as much, almost at all. Nothing. This is the Melia. Come back. Well, except this few people. There's nobody here. This lady is making Instagram. Very quiet. They preparing tables, but there is no people. But maybe they keep the quality. Here is the only one. Some meeting. And that's it. I think I even remember this waiter here. That was 2 years ago when I was here with Winnie, 1.5 years ago last time. As you see, languages, Korean, Chinese, English. That was the market of the people. Also many Europeans, many agents used to stay here. But anyway, all of these hotels, they are 100% tourist hotel. They are not really business hotel, except they have some officials things from officials, obviously, like G20. That will be many people. But right now, because there is no tourist, the hotels are empty. But because this is like a Marriott group, this is actually Melia group, fancy 5-star hotels, they have to keep running. Even they are empty and they are running below any kind of operational costs, they'll still have to keep running. Otherwise, these beautiful gardens, these beautiful gazebos, in general, everything what is here beautiful will looks like a jungle. Like where is just at the corner over there, where is the Pirates Bay, where they decide as they're gonna abandon totally, and it's the place literally almost not exist. So if there will be, these companies will don't take money from different hotels from different countries. Let's say Marriott have like 150 hotels or 200 hotels worldwide. Melia have about 50 hotels worldwide and stuff like this. There will be everything gone forever. There is like already at the back of the hotel. Doesn't look that much optimistic. So what about the full hotel, right? Okay, end of the hotel. And one more thing. One more time, what I would like to say is the area is very famous through the surfers nowadays. I guess you can see so many surfers everywhere around, because this area is just simply the only business local people what can do now is because of this one, the surfing. and they have quite so many bullets, foreigners coming here for surfing as well. Anyway, it's good, quiet, pretty alright area for having a stroll, walk, jogging. It's really actually not so bad. And this is how it looks, the edge of the beach, where is the corrosion. That's actually pretty sad. I hope so they're gonna refurbish this one day when the tourists come back of anyhow, because that's looks pretty sad and pretty destroyed. But yeah, that's how it looks. So it's 4:45 and I'm come back to this place. I cut little bit the part where is everything so broken and destroyed, because that was actually pretty sad to watch, and yeah, just cut it off little bit anyway. I hope so you don't mind. And I'm not gonna go there into area of the Melia Hotel by the street, by the beach. I'm just gonna walk by the street little bit now to show you around the gardens and the maybe hotels from the main street. There are some warungs, but where no matter actually where I go and what I show you is just simply quiet. There was the Bebek restaurant at the front, and there was like there is even one part of the roads are closed. I mean, there is not like it's closed because there is no access. It's public access and it's open currently, because sometimes it's open, sometimes it's closed. It's open, but it's just simply, I don't know, even for safety reasons or something. There are some warungs here, like keeping to be open. There is another vending machine with the water, but it's closed. That's actually not good, because my water is finished. Anyway, that's how it looks on the streets of Nusa Dua. Basically, not much is happening at all, and I completely lost where I am now and how I can get back to the place where I used to be. This is actually the area of the beach, but yeah, another vending machine. Hello, boss. And somewhere here was the ATMs. This is the another machine. So okay, this is the Bali collection area actually. Yeah, the Bali Bay. There was the restaurants, what I showed you, as they are totally closed. And this is actually the back side of the Bali collection, which Bali collection is went into bankruptcy. As you can see here where I'm facing my camera right now, there was the Bali collection, but they put just the metal fence, and Bali collection went into bankruptcy. So the mall of Bali collection is currently closed, literally closed. So I cannot even get inside to show you, at least not from this side. I'm not sure if the main side, main street, main gate to the Bali collection is open. However, the parking area of Bali collection and stuff simply looks like this. So in simple words, it's bankruptcy. Don't want to say that, but that's how it looks. If Bali collection is actually open, I will try to make a vlog about that. Check this out. You can drive on the middle of the street peacefully right now, and the parking area is also open. There is the gate. There is not even, this is one-way road system actually. Anyway, Bali collection is went into bankruptcy. This is the one of the entrances, and as you can see deep inside, actually there is nothing. So I don't even think so the main gate, the main entrance to the Bali collection is open. And even if it's open, I don't think so there is any business open, because the Starbucks there is closed. Maybe the Sojo only, the shopping mall, but I'm not sure. Terrible, actually terrible situation. So let's look. Okay, actually for cars you need to pay, so maybe the 1 or 2 shops are open inside, but on this side looks bankruptcy, so I cannot show you anything. For the bikes it's open, for the cars not. That's only interesting fact. I would like to get to actually Bali collection and have a look deep inside if it's anything open, but don't think so I can make it. This is Bali collection office from the back and the main streets, but even main streets don't need to mention, and it's nothing here actually. Now after making this video for 2 hours, I just wonder if any one of you still watching me till this moment, because it may be super boring actually. Empty land, something here. I don't even know how to back to the main street now. I wanted to avoid the hotel, so now I'm gonna walk quite a lot. But yeah, so if I walk here alone, you can watch me also. This is the entrance to the Hyatt hotel, probably from the back side. Yeah, well, anyway, we are walking on the main streets. There's not many people driving by, passing by, not even mention about the pedestrians. The squirrel is fake. There are some bluebirds actually at the front. I'm not gonna say as the Bali Nusa Dua is totally deserted, empty, because there are some cars here. There is the temple, by the way, at the front, very nice temple, and there are a few taxis around, because obviously the hotels are open except the Club Med, but there is literally nothing is happening here. You can hear only breath of me how I walk here. I'm walking actually quite fast, so many taxis here. I don't really getting why, and what is the entrance here for what? This is not Bali collection, right? But there are so many taxis here actually.
Yeah.
Yes, hello, thank you. Anyway, walking in the between the hotels. Yo, what's up? All good, boss?
Yes, this situation in Bali.
Very busy. Nothing, right? Zero. Take care. Yeah, thank you. The guy didn't really speak English, so this is the main entrance to the Grand Hyatt Hotel, what I showed you from the beach perspective. Basically you can walk here on the middle of the road, middle of the park, or wherever you want. There is no people around, so that's actually pretty strange. So normally if I will make a vlog, like a regular vlog, I could make this video what I showed you today. Since the beginning it's already like very close to 2 hours will be. I could show you literally, I could cut all of these parts in less than 10 minutes. I could make it 5 minutes, but I will push to 8 minutes the video. But actually there is nothing is happening here, and for some points it's actually good, as I show you for the full perspective. How does it look? Because only doing the live stream like I'm doing now, I can show you actually the real vibe of Nusa Dua or any other parts of Bali. There's the Bali collection sign, if you can see. But all the entrances are closed. Actually here you could walk deep inside, but well, it's officially closed, so I'm not gonna literally trespassing inside. Anyway, nothing is there. Anyway, you can feel it, and nothing is there. Can you hear the sound of silence? It's unbelievable. I'm just whispering to you guys. Nothing is happening here. That's unbelievable. Where should I go now? Okay, I'm gonna go to the main street. There is the shortcut. I'm gonna show the main street. Yeah, why not? One car. There are obviously few people staying in the hotel, so I cannot say they are like 100% empty. But yeah, this is the Bali collection. They're everywhere here was the entrances, like a back entrances to Bali collection, but I don't know. Hear sounds of the birds only. Okay, this is the shortcut little bit to show you the Bali collection actually. I will have a look. This is supposed to be a path of road. Anyway, in Bali you can walk on the grass. There is not illegal like, I don't know, some countries it's illegal to walk on the green thing, but here in Bali it's okay. Just wanna show you. Okay, the gardens and everything is actually pretty beautiful here, and you have to agree with me with that. Everything is beautiful. Check this out. Everything is taking care of everything. But I'm just asking you, where are the people and who pay for that? Right? So, anyway, this is already very long walk in the live stream, so I have little time to show you everything around. Anyway, that's how it looks like. The main street. I'm heading into Bali collection right now, to the main entrance of Bali collection. So if it's open and the security gonna let me and film inside, I will get. If not, well, I'm not gonna show you that. Anyway, the main street of Nusa Dua. The main street, the people passing by that, there are many of them, they are workers, gardeners. This is 5 o'clock right now, so they are change of the end of the shift. Many of them they're gonna go home. That's why it's somehow kinda busy, but yeah. Let's see how it's in Bali collection. Any access there or not? You can wash your hands in the Bali collection. See, they are workers. All of them, they are workers. If you ask me who is that people, they are workers. So quickly, simply, I'm just telling you, as they are workers. There's supposed to be electric cars for rent over here. Once actually I wanted to rent them and drive around. I think still I'm gonna make it, but yeah, let's have a look. I think Bali collection is open, so I'm gonna show you. I think the Bali collection is open. I will have a look if it's anything open and if I can get inside and show you around. Seems like it's open. Hello, is the Bali collection open? Can I get inside? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So I can get inside. There's the live music, so I will switch off now. So inside the Bali collection is actually, there are some bazaars right now. They selling some sort of clothes, some sort of food, drinks. They switched on the fountain. You can have some local thingy. This music is so scary. Actually, I need to get out to having a look deep inside. Anyway, I think this is only the thingy what is open, and everything here actually after that is closed. The security, as you saw, he was happy to let me in, and as I can record, so I think that's no problem. Otherwise he will say us, no, you cannot, but he was alright. Anyway, the Quicksilver here seems like Quicksilver is open, and well, all of the restaurants actually are closed. This material is nearly suitable for the video titled Abandoned Ghost Mall in Bali, or Abandoned Mall in Bali. Ghost maybe no, but abandoned for sure, because all of these restaurants here and the alleys and the streets are just completely empty, deserted. Look at this. You can, that's speechless, and you can really have to talk quiet, like I'm nearly whispering to you, because it's like an echo, and I don't want, I don't know, it's like feeling. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. How does it look like? So no wonder, as from the outside when you walk, everything is like closed, because literally everything is closed, guys. It's not like they are not, I don't know. Look at that. I'm just gonna stop and slowly show you 360-degree what's going on in Bali collection in the mall. It's like totally bankruptcy. The mall is bankruptcy, and the mall is abandoned. And the Bali collection mall is like an open air mall, right? As every shops, they are separate buildings in the open area and everything. But I was walking just literally there, was thinking to enter the mall, where is this car passing, but well, from the street I said it's empty, and it's empty. But well, I'm happy as I'm here. I mean, I don't know if I feel happy deep inside as I'm here, but I'm happy as I have an opportunity to show you this today. And I will see how many views I'm gonna get on this live stream and how many people still watching at this moment. But I think I'm gonna make a special vlog, special proper vlog in this area of Nusa Dua about the Bali collection in the future. Just walking for 8-10 minutes with the title of Abandoned Mall in Bali, because that's literally abandoned mall in Bali. Honestly, I'm very curious if the Starbucks is open. The only shop what is open here is Uluwatu with the clothes, but this is like a proper, very nice brand of the clothes. I think here supposed to be Polo Ralph. Actually, some shops like Lacoste with the clothes are open. That's a big surprise. And I think the Starbucks is open actually also. But, well, crazy. Hello. So, yeah. So I could say, because of maybe Sojo is open. And, well, the Starbucks is open but it's empty. You go to Starbucks, there is no customers. That's strange. So I don't know. Actually, I'm a little bit tired right now and a little bit speechless. So maybe that's why. I don't know what should I say. But anyway, some people probably still gonna watch this moment on my live stream. So if you just click the video and you are curious where I am now, I'm in the Bali collection in Nusa Dua Mall. And the situation is like this, without commentatory. You can guess how does it look like. Bebek Tepa, Savi, Tepi Savi. All of these warung here, literally, all of them, without exceptions. This area was full of people 2 years back, 2.5, 3 years back. It was busy, extremely, literally busy, and every restaurant had customers. Of course, some restaurants was the full house, some other ones was less customers, but all of them, they had customers. Right now, they are not exist. And half of the mall, actually, right here is already not even as is empty, it's just closed. So that means it's no business there is exist, and there is no maintenance at all on the other side of the fence. Actually, there is not really maintenance in this mall, I guess, in general. Well, maybe like this little bit here, there is maintenance. But this one belongs to someone, and it's no maintenance at all. Well, my friend actually had a business in Bali Collection, and he closed down his shop last year already. And at that time he said already as Bali Collection is bankruptcy, and that was true. I made a few vlogs actually at that time, last year, about this place, and everything was closed. But last year was still looking like there is some hope. But now there is pharmacy open here. But now, I don't know, doesn't look any kind of optimistic, I could say. Normally I feel like I want to have a Starbucks, but at the same time I feel like this is not appropriate, the best idea to having Starbucks in this mall right now. Anyway, I don't know if somebody ever had a coffee there. No, Starbucks for sure have a quality control and everything, but I just want to say it looks terribly sad. Giordano is open, and this thingy for kids, the horses, that actually looks, you could nearly make a Hollywood movie here in this mall if you would really like to. I mean, I don't wanna saying something bad, but there is really not that best situation. There are some people only here, like one family or somebody walking. Maybe they stay in the hotels, then they come for crack here. I mean, just having a look with the boy. Look at this one. This building needs total refurbishment if they ever wanna come back to business here. I mean, this is no difference between Nusa Dua, abandoned mall, I could say, to the Ubud streets. Check this out. Pretty the same thing. This one in Nusa Dua, or in Ubud, or in Kuta, or in Legian, or in Padma. If it's closed for more than 2 years, it's just not much hope. It's really sad. For sure I'm gonna come back here and make a proper vlog about this mall. So that's for sure. Because, well, obviously only a few % of people will watch this live stream since the beginning till the end. Only a few hundred people maximum. So I truly understand. But this is actually pretty good material to make a proper vlog. Anyway, I'm working here already for over 10 minutes if I'm not mistaken, so it will be very easy to make a vlog, but also with a little bit different comments, and maybe a little bit earlier because it's already after 5 and the better weather is not so best. Here will be nice at morning actually, and probably nothing really gonna change. Okay, I walk there next to the blue restaurant. I'm gonna walk here now. I'm just surprised the ATMs are working here, but I'm not sure if I will be brave enough to use them. Probably no problem, but it's just sad. Check this out. Just unbelievable, guys. Really unbelievable. There is no really needs the commentatory of any kind. It's just so sad. See, I used to walk over there. It's closed. There is some construction. Maybe somebody took over this small shop. I don't know. Oops, it's also very slippery here because not many people walk. They don't clean the tiles, so you have to be very careful at the same time. Just left the mall. Where are the bazaars with the clothes? There is music, which is really complicated to film. That's why I'm really afraid about the live streams. That's really big problem. If you are recording with the music like that, even if it's not your music, this is coming from the shop, you have a risk of the problems with the copyright license on YouTube. It's very complicated, but yeah, I hope so I can manage later on in the future, or if not, I'm just gonna make it like this. But no, I think I'm gonna keep doing the proper videos. Anyway, back to the streets. There is some ambulance. I don't know why he stopped. I hope so he's not waiting for me, because I'm working here. Anyway, I need to come back to the public beach right now. I need to come back to the public beach. But till now it's still quite far to walk. Anyway, main street of the Nusa Dua. 5:15. This is already 2 hours, almost 2 hours since I start today's video. Honestly, I feel tired. I don't feel as that much hot right now, maybe because I'm not walking by the beach, and by the beach is more hot. But definitely I feel so tired, especially of my feet, walking by. Anyway, the green thingy here. Some cars passing by. Some surfers going back home. The gardens are really nice. The gardens are really nice. That's without any doubts. But I don't know. Well, in general, I could say, yeah, in Nusa Dua, between the hotels, like on this street, maybe in general, there is not much tourists or any kind of people walking by, but at least there was so many cars, bus, motorbikes driving around. That's for sure. Anyway, this is the list of the hotels and the name of the place where I am now. So where I am now, this is the main road, and I need to find a way to the beach somewhere. That's so complicated. Actually, I messed up a little bit. That's the Bali collection. Grand Mercure, Armartera, Merusaka. Merusaka will be the best way to go. But the problem with Merusaka is that, as I'm not allowed to enter the hotel. As you see, by the way, the cars, they are only from Java Island, from Jakarta. So they are honk at me even as I'm passing the streets. I mean, in Jakarta, doesn't matter, Jakarta, from islands of Indonesia, or they are from Bali. Seems like they used to with the traffic as it's empty, and they are maybe not happy as I'm walking, passing by the empty street. It's totally trying to be totally understand I understand them. Anyway, so this is little bit of the walking on the street of the Nusa Dua, and well, like this moment, let's say okay, the car is passing by and the motorbike, but you could find the moment, catch the moment like I'm doing right now, where it's only empty street, empty path, empty garden, and just me walking here. So this is, looks like abandoned, this is actually open. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop filming here because it's actually just empty street, and I'm gonna come back to you when I'm on the beach, because literally nothing is here. I changed my mind actually. Check this out, how quiet is this? I had to show you that. Unbelievable. Actually, the level of silence is unbelievable. I will keep vlogging. This is live stream anyway, right? So I hope so you still enjoy. At least some of you didn't get tired. This is the roundabout where you can get to the public beach. And public beach, in simple words, is open to everyone. Either you stay here or even you are not staying in Nusa Dua, it's open for everyone. At least it's open now, because in the last year when I make so many videos in Nusa Dua, or used to trying to make videos in Nusa Dua in 2020 and 2021, there was actually so much problems. We used to have to stay in the hotel or go to the hotel for the pass, like a swimming pass or something like that. But currently you can get to the public beach. Everyone can get into public beach. This is the main gate, the roundabout. There is the courtyard at the front, and this is the main gate and the main entrance to the Kuta beach, Pantai Mengyat. Yeah, nice road, small street. It's actually no hotels around, I think, or maybe they are Ayodhya actually, Ayodhya and Merusaka, but it's like a small street where you can walk, and the street leading to the beach, to the public beach. But it's actually so long to walk, and I'm already very tired. I have to really be honest with you. I have to show you. There is some car behind me. I think the taxi driver trying to approach me. Oh no, it was very close to me. Anyway, see you on the beach, because it's really not the point to show you the street here. Not much is happening. So actually this is like a little alley in the forest. On this side is the Merusaka or ex-Inaya Putri Hotel, and on the other side this is Ayodhya Hotel. And the parking area, actually the parking area of Ayodhya, and here is the lobby and parking area of Merusaka Inaya Putri. Good for driving, is actually pretty cool here. I mean, it's not that hot, so I'm gonna get to the beach side. I decide I'm gonna continue walking and vlogging, because this is like supposed to be the live stream. There is not the point, as I'm gonna cut off this part of the video. Anyway, I have to walk, so you can imagine how many kilometers I walk today, and honestly I feel tired right now, but still I'm gonna continue, because when I enter the beach I wanna show you the Ayodhya Hotel, which is over there. And yeah, anyway, that was actually a little bit silly idea to walking in Nusa Dua. Like I said, I supposed to get myself the electric bicycle or electric scooter or electric skateboard. Maybe skateboard is not the best idea, but electric bike, and drive here. Either I'm gonna make it shorter or I'm gonna cover every single corner faster, but will be much easier for me because I definitely feel pain on my legs right now. So the idea was a little bit silly, I could say. But yeah, that's how it is. No much complaining. At least you know every corner of the Nusa Dua, and you can feel actually the vibe, how it is. Is it quiet? Is it busy? It's just how it is. It's actually not much action. It's very hard to make something what will be very potentially very interesting to watch, especially if we are talking about the live stream. Maybe Kuta, Legia and Seminyak every week, like 1 week Sanur, 1 week Ubud, 1 week Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, that's 5 weeks, and then repeat, will be alright. Anyway, this is the entrance to the public beach. You need to pay for the parking area. The parking is here. Pretty many cars, and this is the place where I actually started filming today. So many actually cars with the red registration. This is the new Avanza, the most popular cars in Indonesia. And yeah, local warung, some surfers, and just literally this is the place where I start today's live stream. If you are just watching not so long ago, or you are watching playback till now for some reason, you're gonna have a look. And I think this guy, when he was at the beginning 2 hours ago, he's still there, so he's waiting for somebody. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the local warungs, and the last hotel on the list, what I didn't show you actually, this is Ayodhya Hotel. And Ayodhya Hotel will be here. Also, Ayodhya Hotel is pretty big hotel, meanwhile the situation by the way. Oh my god, he's gonna start the music somewhere. Just please, no music. Yeah, Ayodhya Hotel. Also very quiet, also open. They had a problem because the beach club or the one of the restaurant was closed. This is like a 75,000 only for the day pass if you would like to come and using the swimming pool in the Ayodhya Hotel. Many of you also used to stay in Ayodhya, I believe so. So yeah, somebody stayed. There was the fire. We also swim in this swimming pool exactly where I'm facing right now. Some time ago, 1 year ago, and there was the restaurant over there. We used to chill over there in the couch with Winnie. That's just for everyone who are watching us on daily basis. Maybe you should remember. Well, if not, it's okay. That's how it looks like. Also, not much is happening. It's 5:30. It's exactly 2 hours right now when I'm walking, but I cut few spots, so it will be a little bit less, maybe 1 hour 40 minutes. Anyway, this is the Ayodhya and the beach situation. Have some ice cream. Nasi goreng for 75k in the 5-star hotel, which is just alright, I could say. Anyway, Ayodhya Hotel looks like it's closed actually, but trust me, it's open. But the only problem is there is extremely limited activities in this hotel. Simply not much is happening, and the hotel is huge, big, also the similar style of the club mat with this bamboo umbrellas, I could say. Just here. Okay, if I'm already here, guys, and you are still watching, at least somebody watching me till now, I really hope at least somebody is still watching me till now. I want to show you one thing, what I also never been, I also never go, which is I never go more further outside Ayodhya Hotel. And I know there are already different part of Nusa Dua where the hotels, like a premium 5-star hotels, like St. Regis, Kempinski, Melia, Geger Beach in general, by the way, this is Ayodhya Hotel and Garden. So I really want to have a look, how does it look there. There's like a small corner, toilets, probably clothes by the way. And this is actually border between BTDC Nusa Dua closed complex and the other parts of Nusa Dua, where hotels more likely on the cliffs, more after that. And there will be also one abandoned hotel, what I don't know the name. Never been here, honestly. So that's why I'm coming here today, to having a look. But the interesting fact is, as the promenade walk, footpath is still here. This area actually belongs to the public access also. So actually I can walk right now, if I still continue walking, depends of my energy, up to Melia Hotel in Nusa Dua. And Geger Beach, for everyone who are missing the Geger Beach and stuff like this. So this lounges, somebody fishing over here even. These lounges, they belongs to the public access, and there are some foreigners here. Actually, nice beach, and this is the area of abandoned hotel. What totally, I have no idea what is the name of this hotel, what it was, and I'm first time here in my life, to be honest, today. Such a shame, living so many years in Bali and never been here. But yeah, if I'm already walking here. So anyway, the path looks like it's a lot of green things on the left, on the right. The beach with the fisherman boats, and there used to be the hotel. And I really wanted to show you how does it look inside the hotel. And I was hoping, as there is not jungle look like, but there is jungle look. Hold on a second. Stay with me, guys. This is not edited video, so you are exploring with me. The huge hotel is used to be. Alright, little bit look here. There's jungle. It's totally abandoned. I mean, like literally abandoned, without any excuses. There are some kids walking. I just would like to show you a little bit how does it look inside the hotel. Well, looks like this. Abandoned, that's for sure. I wonder how it looks inside. I don't know what was the name of the hotel, how many years it's closed, when it was operated. I have no idea. There is no name on the Google map. There is no names here anywhere. There's supposed to be the shower, and there is the beautiful view. It was the entrance to the hotel. Well, easily I could trespass here and got inside and show you, but that's not what I gonna do. It's not nice. I don't know if it's security there or not, but definitely not nice to do it. There's supposed to be a lobby, I guess. You can comment below if you recognize this hotel. Honestly, have no idea. And yeah, definitely it's abandoned for a long time. That's definitely. There is not even fence anymore here, actually. You could just walk. Probably people walk there, but I don't want to do it. But definitely abandoned. Probably many snakes there also. It's not good. Actually, I already get scared talking about the snake. Check this out. Actually, very old hotel and very abandoned here. Honestly, never been here. And there's like crazy stuff. The promenade is finished here. So I don't know, maybe that was actually still belongs to Nusa Dua, or maybe not. But yeah, that was the hotel. Looks like this. The lobby there, I don't know even how is the access from the main street. That's how it looks like. The promenade here, and cool surprise, just between the huge wall over here, the wall like this, is the St. Regis Hotel, which is actually premium luxury hotel in Bali. So that's interesting fact. This is extra bonus for everyone who are watching my live stream till now. And what I can say, this is beautiful beach called Geger Beach, and St. Regis Hotel, which is, well, many people are familiar with the name. It's already premium luxury hotel. Seems like empty, and you can walk up there to the Melia Hotel and the Geger Beach. This is actually Geger Beach and Melia. So there is the St. Regis and there will be Melia. There is the temple and there is the another hotels, and there where you can see the little bit of the roof, that's the Hilton Hotel. Yeah, and that's how it looks, the beach in general. I think that's it for today. What do you think, guys? I think that's it for today. I slowly gonna finish during the premiere live stream. Still many people watching me till now. I think this is a good idea to make a proper video about the Bali collection. That will be one vlog, separate vlog, and one video about this abandoned hotel over there, whatever its name is. I would really appreciate if you are familiar and you can tell me the name, because there is no name on the Google map. The Club Med is still on the Google map, actually, I checked, but this one no. This is St. Regis. Actually, you could walk. There is another promenade next to St. Regis. Actually, I could easily walk there. Melia Hotel, and maybe up to Hilton. If you're interested, you can comment below also. But for today, I think that will be literally that's it. By the way, the St. Regis also looks like there is nothing here. Anyway, this is like a border between abandoned hotel and St. Regis is like a fancy hotel, but seems like there is nobody here anyway. So, okay, guys, this is it's already 5:35, so it's exactly 2 hours how I do the premiere live stream. I'm very curious about this hotel, actually, to be honest. I wish I could go get inside and explore this abandoned hotel, actually, but at the same time looks pretty scary. Definitely looks scary. Anyway, that's how it looks. The situation, I would like to say thank you so much for at least, I believe, few people, maybe 5 people, maybe 10 people watched me since the beginning till the end. If so, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. I'm so tired, actually, guys. Need to get another drink. This hotel still thinking about this hotel. But yeah, different occasion. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoy. Let me know. Maybe in the next week, next Friday, I'm gonna make a proper live stream. If I'm gonna make a proper live stream, I'm gonna choose Legian or Kuta for this. I'm gonna get myself gimbal, so will be no shaky anymore. And thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow on the regular vlog, as always. See ya. Take care, guys. Thank you so much.
If I'm lost along the way, if I wander off onto a different trail, will you forgive me if I fail when I'm lost and derailed? If I cry when I'm blue, if I cry alone when I am with you, will you forgive me if I do? If I cry when I'm blue, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? When I am calling your name. If I'm wrong when you are right, if I'm only seeing things in black and white, will you forgive me tonight? If I'm wrong and you're right, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? Through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strains, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? When I am calling your name. If I'm lost along the way, if you find me in a state of disarray, will you hold on another day? If I'm lost along the way, if I'm lost along the way.